Paul Morrow here, just to remind you that we've been doing some educational meetings and some of the things we're talking about are expiring. Number one, if you're 79 years old, a lot of the good things run out at 80. Number two, the current big, beautiful bills got some tax advantages for seniors. They expire in 2028. Number three, if you're looking to collect big back-end tax-free bonuses, remember the ING Direct Orange Ball accounts. They gave out $175 million in 3 years to everybody, $25 at a pop, and then they shut it off and they sold a company for $6 billion. Well, that's what's going on now. Companies are giving out tax-free money to you to do bonus conversions to offset your tax. It's not going to last forever. So what I'm concerned about is that the things that we talk about might expire. So now is the time to take action. Don't delay. If you're aging, if time is clicking off for you, and if you're trying to collect back-end tax-free money, contact us, subscribe to the channel, reach out to us for more information, but do it before these great opportunities go away. And I'll see you next time on Smart Financial.